Good evening guys, this is Maya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to export Dialogues report in different languages. This tutorial will be divided into three parts. In the first part, we'll learn how to make the settings within the Dialogues. In the second part of this video, we are going to learn how to get Dialogues report in different languages which are currently not supported within the software. Here we'll be using Dialogues Pro feature. In the third part of this tutorial, we will learn how to get Dialogues report in different languages which are currently not supported within the Dialogues, but here we will not be using Dialogues Pro feature. There could be any reason you want to get Dialogues report in the language other than the language you're working in the Dialogues, like a foreign client, project requirements, etc. So let's get started. In the first part, I have considered a sample project. Here, my Dialogues user interface language is English. When you go to the documentation to export your Lux report, I have my documentation too in English. To change this, we'll go to File, Settings, General Settings. Here you have language, user interface. User interface means the language in which you are using the Dialogues. That is your user interface language. You can change it to different language. If you change the language here, only the Dialogues tools language will be changed. Okay. Suppose if you want to keep it in English itself or your native language and you want only your Lux report to be in different language, you can select this drop down. Here are the different languages option you can change to. Now, suppose if I scroll down here and I choose this language, okay, and I go back to documentation, wait for a few seconds, and your Lux report will be in the language you have selected. Now my Lux is changed to the language I have selected. Click on show entire documentation and this is my Lux report. And here all the details in the report are in the language I have selected. Okay, so this is how you can change the language. From here you can save as PDF report 1. This is your Lux report. Okay, when you go to the settings here, file, settings, general settings, here the number of languages in which you can export your Lux report is limited. Like for example, I don't have Arabic here to export my Lux reports in Arabic language. Or say your regional languages too you don't have here. Now how are we going to export or generate our Lux report in languages other than these languages? Let us see that. If you change the settings and if you want to get back to normal, you can click on your option and go back to project. You might have to restart your program and everything will be back to the normal. Now, in the second part, we'll learn how to get the Dialogues report in the languages which are currently not supported within the Dialogues software. For that, let's go to the documentation. I have already selected the pages which I need in my Lux report. It totally depends upon your workflow and project requirements on which pages you have to keep. I have a detailed tutorial on this. You can refer that tutorial. Now, once you have selected the pages you need in your Lux report, you will click on Show Entire Documentation. If you have a Pro feature, make sure Pro feature is activated. Okay, we'll be in Report. From here, you have option to generate your reports in different page dimensions. For now, I'll keep it in A4 itself. And we will save this report in Word document. Let us save the file as report 2. Open file. This is our Lux report in Word format. And when you export your Lux report in Word file, all the text formats, the alignment, everything will be intact, same as your PDF version. The advantage of exporting it in Word is that you can easily edit this sheet and you can even translate it. Here I'm using WPS Office to open and edit my documents. You might be using MS Office, you might be using WPS Office, or you might be using any other software packages that are used to create, open and edit documents like this. No matter which software you're using, you go to Review and here in the review option, you will be having one tool for translation. Here I'm using WPS Office, and when I go to I have an option for parallel translate. Click on parallel translate. My language of the document is English and I want to convert it to say Hindi. Say it is translated, and if I scroll down, each page is translated and you can save it from here. Now it depends the type of software you're using, if you can download it for free or if you need to have some license for the software. I will tell you few easy free softwares which you can use to translate this Word documents. The first one is m365.cloud.microsoft. I will provide the link of this in description. You just need to log in with your Gmail and you will get this access. From here you can click on upload, and this is our Word document of the report. Open. It will take few minutes to upload the document. Then this tab will open, which basically shows your report. You'll go to review, and here you have the option for translate. Select translate and translate document. If you scroll down the document and if you can't see complete text, don't worry. When you translate, all the text will remain same as your original document. We have to translate this document from English, or you can keep it auto dated, and here you need to select the language in which you need to translate it. Suppose I want to translate it in Arabic because we don't have Arabic language in Dialogues directly. Click on translate. It will take few minutes, and here is your Lux report in Arabic. Close this one. Then you can click on these three dots. You can download this as your Word file itself. If you need to do some modifications, you can do it easily in the Word files like this. Click to open. Okay, so this is my Lux report in Arabic language. Perfect. The layout is same, the text, everything is perfect. Advantage of using the Pro feature and exporting in the Word document is that you can easily change the font size, etc. If while translating, if there is some mismatch, you can easily edit it. If not, you can directly click on this three dot, download as PDF, and this is your direct PDF which is translated in Arabic. Perfect. Suppose if you don't have the Pro version and you can export your Lux report only as a PDF, like here, let me save this as PDF and I will save it on desktop with name report 3. Okay. Now, how are we going to translate this PDF file in a different languages which are not currently supported in Dialogues? The easiest option is go to Google Translate, go to Documents, choose File. This is my PDF. Open. My Lux report is in English, so I will click here English. From here, I can select the languages I need it to export. Google Translate gives you more number of languages to translate it. See, the options are numerous. Let's select, say, Arabic. Translate. You can open translation and you can even download translation. Let's take a preview. Let's open it. Okay, when you see the report, the text size is very small compared to my original Lux report. Plus, you're getting a watermark that it is machine translated by Google. If you have a PDF editor, you can edit this, you can remove it. The formatting can be a little bit compromised, but the document will be translated. If you're focusing only to get the translated document, you can try this. There is other option. Let us try that as well. This is the other site which you can use to translate your documents, where you can upload both PDF and the Word documents and then translate it. I feel the most efficient way, if you need your Lux report in language which is not currently the Dialogues user interface language, it's better to export your Lux reports in a Word document like this, and you can easily translate your Word document. Plus point of this having a Word file is you can easily edit it. So this is it guys in this video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please do hit a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned to explore more in Dialogues with me. Thank you.